कोलवा दर्यादेगेर 2 जखमी कासवांक जीवनदान मेळ्ळे। बाणावले व्हरून तांचेर उपचार करपाचे आसात। पळयात। ट्रेडिशनल फिशरमॅन असोसिएशनाचो अध्यक्ष आणि फॉरेस्ट गार्ड सांगता ते प्रमाण तळाव्या नुस्तेकारांक फातोडेर 2 कासव जाळ्यात घुसपल्ले दिश्टी पडले। तांणी एनिमल रेस्क्यू टीम आफयली। फॉरेस्ट गार्डय आयले। तांणी तांचेर मुळावे उपचार केले। एक कासव कांय तेंपा आदी जखमी जाल्लो, दुसऱ्याच्या आंगार ताज्यो जखमी आसात। तांचेर योग्य ते उपचार करतले अशें फॉरेस्ट गार्डान सांगले।
आमी कोलवा आसा आनी 2 टर्टल येयले हांगा, ते जाळा घुसपल्ले आणि आता रिफर्स्ट टीम येयल्या आणि तांकां ट्रिटमेंट चालू केला आणि आता तांकां आमी शिफ्ट बाणावली वतले ट्रिटमेंटा खातीर।
टोटल्स कोणा मेळ्ळे?
टर्टल लोकल पीपल, फिशरमॅन, ऑलिव्ह रेडली टर्टल।
आता ताका खंय व्हरतले?
आता ताका बाणावली वतले आमी।
एकाला जुनी इंजुरी आहे आणि एकाला आता जस्ट नेट्सनी चांगली ब्लिडिंग होत आहे, तर त्याच्यासाठी आता आम्ही त्यांना शांत करायसाठी एक इंजेक्शन दिलेलं आहे आणि एक गॉजनी त्याला ब्लिडिंगच्या अगेन्स्ट थांबवून ब्लिडिंग थांबवायचा प्रयत्न करणं चालू आहे।
दर्यातले जीव धोक्यात आसात जाल्यार तांकां कशें वाटोवप हाजी ट्रेडिशनल फिशरमॅन असोसिएशनान हालींच ट्रेनिंग मेळिल्ली, ताजो फायदो जालो, सांगता ट्रेडिशनल फिशरमॅन असोसिएशनाचो अध्यक्ष।
Today at around 6:30 my father was there on the beach. He saw some ghost net coming up, and then he saw there is one turtle which is entangled to the net, and there is another turtle which is trying to save this turtle towards the beach. He is trying to drag the bigger turtle which is injured towards the beach. So one turtle which was entangled, the other turtle which is smaller one is trying to save this turtle towards the beach so that it can be saved. So my father was there and some tourists were there. We called a lifeguard over here, Kolwa lifeguard. They came, they put them in their jeep, they have brought it in their office here, and now the doctors are come, the forest department people are come, and they will take it to the hospital and then it will be treated. After treatment, then certain days they will also inform us that they have been released back into the sea. Yeah, we are fishermen. So most of the time the fisheries department had conducted one workshop to get awareness about how to save a turtle. So it was there for about 10-15 days ago, and now we are more aware of how to treat a turtle, how to get it into safe hands, who are the departments and all that. So that's what we were like given updates on that day.
गोवा 365 खातीर रमेश नायक रावत आनी भक्ती बेबाळगी।